Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn daily use sentences. This video is specially made for the new beginners who want to learn Konkani. So if you are a beginner, please do watch the full video to learn Konkani very quickly and very easily with the help of my channel Konkani Ulai. So please do subscribe and help my channel to grow. Please don't forget to hype and like my videos. So let's begin. How are you? Tu kaso asa? If you are asking a boy, you must say tu kaso asa. If you are asking a girl, you must say tu kashe asa. If you are asking a lady, you must say tu kashi asa. I am good. How baro asa? So if the replier is a boy, he will say how baro asa. If she is a girl, she will say how bare asa. And if she is a lady, she will say how bari asa. Where you stay? Tu खंय रावता? Tu खंय रावता? I stay in Pune. हांव पुणे रावता. हांव पुणे रावता. What are you doing? तूं कितें करता? तूं कितें करता? I am studying. हांव शिकता. हांव शिकता. Where are you going? तूं खंय वयता? तूं खंय वयता? I am going to market. हांव बाजारांत वयता. हांव बाजारांत वयता. You had your food? If you are asking a boy, you must say तूं जेवलो. तूं जेवलो. If you are asking a girl, you must say तूं जेवलें. तूं जेवलें. And if you are asking a lady, you must say तूं जेवली. तूं जेवली. Yes, I ate. हय, हांव जेवलो. हय, हांव जेवलें. हय, हांव जेवली. What is the time? Time कितलो जाला? Time कितलो जाला? It's 6 o'clock. स जाली. स जाली. How old are you? तुका वर्सां कितली? तुका वर्सां कितली? I am 10 years old. म्हाका 10 वर्सां. म्हाका 10 वर्सां. Are you coming with me? तूं म्हज्या वांगडा येता? तूं म्हज्या वांगडा येता? No, I am not coming. ना, हांव येना. ना, हांव येना. What is that? तें कितें? तें कितें? I don't know. म्हाका खबर ना. म्हाका खबर ना. Where is he? तो खंय आसा? तो खंय आसा? If you are asking about a boy, you must say तो खंय आसा. And if you are asking about a girl, in Konkani we say तूं खंय आसा? तें खंय आसा? तें खंय आसा? And if you are asking about a lady, we say ती खंय आसा? ती खंय आसा? He is sleeping. तो न्हिदला. She is sleeping. तें न्हिदला. तें न्हिदला. And if you are telling about a lady, you must say ती न्हिदल्या. ती न्हिदल्या. When you will meet me? If you are asking a boy, you must say तूं म्हाका केन्ना मेळटलो? तूं म्हाका केन्ना मेळटलो? And if you are asking a girl, you must say तूं म्हाका केन्ना मेळटलें? तूं म्हाका केन्ना मेळटलें? And if you are asking a lady, you must say तूं म्हाका केन्ना मेळटली? तूं म्हाका केन्ना मेळटली? I will meet you tomorrow. हांव तुका फाल्यां मेळटा. हांव तुका फाल्यां मेळटा. What you cooked for lunch? आयज जेवणाक कितें आसा? आयज जेवणाक कितें आसा? Today I made lady finger vegetable. आयज हांवें भेंड्याची भाजी केल्या. आयज हांवें भेंड्याची भाजी केल्या. So this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and please don't forget to hype my videos. And if you are a beginner and want to learn Konkani, and this is the perfect channel for you to learn Konkani. So thank you.